Restar specializes in providing complex industrial solutions and industrial design with advanced technology, targeting both B2B and B2C markets with its manufacturing facilities across Europe. The first production has started in Istanbul Tuzla shipyard in 2015. Today, Restar has 2 different locations for production facilities, such as R&D Center in Gebze Industrial Zone, a production center in Kocaeli, and international sales and after-sales operations in Germany. In 2019, Ronin, the first motorhome model under the Hotomobil brand, was put on sale. For the Ronin and Ronin XL models produced on the Fiat Pratico platform, it was entitled to be the manufacturer with the European Type Approval Certificate, with the second-level manufacturer authorization from the Fiat brand. Today, with a total of 8 different caravan models, 90% of its total production is exported to 28 different countries in 4 different continents. Restar has used its expertise to develop and produce a large range of products using composite materials. Industries using Restar products today include automotive, caravan, construction, wind farms, marine industry, transportation, infrastructure, sports and leisure equipment producers, and sustainable lifebox. We are also targeting new projects in the fields of monoblock production techniques and micromobility. Restar accommodates competent employees who are all experts in their fields, such as furniture modeling, designing, metalworks, molding, textile, electronics, mechanical, polyester body casting, and paint departments. By following and applying innovative technologies, Restar is on its way to become one of the most important design and modeling company in Europe, thanks to its knowledge and experience in the field with the robotic arms it uses and 3D printing technologies. Restar uses lean manufacturing techniques such as Kaizen 5S Jidoka Haijunka to keep the quality of our products above European standards and to minimize delivery times. Automotive and maritime are priority industries that we provide services. We give services from our R&D center to many countries in Europe, Asia, and America. With the importance we attach to R&D and innovative perspective of the employees, we develop products that will provide quality and comfort, prioritizing technology and safety. The Retech Tooling Center has a state-of-the-art 3-to-8 axis CNC and robotic arms router that efficiently machines large-size master patterns and molds up to 14 meters long in one pass. We are committed to supply high-quality products and meeting the individual needs of our customers with tailor-made solutions that add real value. Restar uses the strength of its production capabilities and technical expertise to support its customers and deliver added value solutions. We know that design is something much more than a good look. While applying the state-of-the-art innovation and design technologies, we also support beauty and functionality. We are continuously working to sustain Restar as a brand which develops high-quality, accessible and sustainable mobile living products with state-of-the-art designs and technologies. For this, our fundamental policy is continuous improvement. With all its technological infrastructure, facilities spread across Europe, and expert staff in the field, Restar is ready to be your solution partner to create long-term strategic collaborations and reach common targets